Today, we are going to discuss how Snowflake Cortex AI Complete function can be used to revolutionize the extraction, transformation, and automation of financial guidance data from earnings press release documents. This technology allows us to glean structured insights from unstructured documents. You will see how easy it is to work with documents in Snowflake. Our primary goal is to take complex unstructured documents like earnings press releases and turn them into structured data that we can use for critical investment functions. We can do this in 4 key steps. First, we parse the earnings press release. Second, we extract key financial details. Third, we insert the data into a structured table. And finally, we drive investment workflows based on this extracted information. Extracting and utilizing data from documents comes with significant challenges. For example, the financial guidance provided by companies is provided in various formats across SEC filings, press releases, earnings calls, and other non-standardized structure. Some companies provide dollar figures while others use percentage growth as their guidance. Some provide the guidance in a table format while others in a statement in a press release. From a technical standpoint, the challenges of extracting insights such as financial guidance from unstructured documents are equally significant. There is often a need to stitch together multiple cloud services, resulting in complex workflows that lower productivity and become a DevOps nightmare. This also creates new data silos like vector databases, requires managing even more databases. The solution is to use Snowflake Cortex Complete structured outputs to streamline guidance extraction from investment research. With Snowflake, we can automate the entire guidance extraction process. We take financial outlook from earnings press release, extract that into JSON, parse and store this JSON in a table, and drive workflows all within a single platform. So what is Snowflake Cortex AI Complete? It is a general purpose function capable of performing a wide range of user-specific tasks such as sentiment analysis, synthetic data generation, custom summaries, and more. Most importantly, with complete structured outputs, you can supply a JSON schema that the completion response must follow. So the complete function will follow the JSON schema that you specified. This significantly reduces post-processing, ensures deterministic responses, and ensures generated responses conform to the schema. Here is a simple example of how you can invoke the Snowflake Cortex Complete function using a simple SQL statement. This is an example of the prompt that I am using with my complete function to guide the extraction process. We specify the details we need to be extracted from the press releases. For example, we want the quarterly and the annual revenue targets. This is how you would call the complete function to output the financial guidance data as a JSON structure. And you have within Snowflake the ability to use multiple LLMs for you to use this complete function with. Here in this case, I have used the Anthropic Cloud model. And then we have also demonstrated how you can define the schema for your output within this SQL statement. Here's the sample of the JSON data received from Snowflake Cortex Complete after processing the prompt and the press release content of a company. It is perfectly structured and ready for further use. There are many advantages of using Snowflake Cortex. First, we get a streamlined architecture entirely driven by SQL. Second, we eliminate the data movement, reducing latency and reducing complexity. Third, it is an integrated ecosystem, so there is no need to stitch together disparate cloud services. Fourth, teams can focus on business goals, leveraging Snowflake's ease of use. Now, let's look at a quick demo. You are looking at a Snowflake notebook. I have loaded the following earnings press releases into a storage area in Snowflake. I can list the files, as you can see, from the storage area. You can easily parse each press release document using SQL commands using the parse document function. I am using the parse document function, parsing each press release document, storing that in a table in Snowflake. You can run a select query to look at the table and also the press release content in that table. Finally, we apply the Cortex Complete structured output on the press release content. You see the prompt and you have the column. Once you execute this cell, this SQL, you would get the output as you see here. Thank you. At Snowflake, we strive to make things easy. Ease of use leads to productivity gains and allows you to focus on improving your business processes and serving your clients. You can try this entire workflow from a Snowflake notebook. It would take you less than 30 minutes to do this.